Mm. Hello, welcome. William, Philippines, sorry. Mm. Mm. Wednesday, 2:36, February 12th, 2025. Uh, Hazards of pot roast. There's a lot of it, and they don't make it for one person. So I'm having a lot of fun eating pot roast. And I still got some. It's okay. It was very good. Uh, Pot roast sandwich. And the air fryer, the potatoes came out a little dry. The corn or the carrots, eh, I should have put them in later and under. Learning experience. It is what it is. Boss is back. Talked to him this morning. Yay, good. It's my weekend, and I'm trying to get a couple other things done. Uh, About to take and go back to bed because 2:35, 2:36. It's past my bedtime. I need to get my sleep. Yeah, I need my beauty sleep. Can't you see? Yeah. Anyway, mm, yeah. Let's see. Boss is back. Pot roast is good. I don't know if I think I'm gonna have to make sure I separate out my cast iron. There's just no way. I wouldn't want somebody to try and pick that thing up and carry it. Period. Uh, Not healthy. I don't want to pick it up in the ballot buying box. So this stuff is coming back out of it and getting rearranged. Because, yeah, gut busting ain't good. And I've got a bit of cast iron. So, yeah, hopefully folks don't want to just snag cast iron. Just saying. Uh, I was showing Turquoise Sunset. Was showing they had some Balak buying boxes got messed with. Couple out of 8, I think they had 2 of them or so. That 25% they got hit. It's not good. Uh, so the question is, are you willing to lose it? It's just a post box being slow shipped. Uh, yeah, I don't know. Cast iron kitchen stuff. I'm hoping folks wouldn't want to break into that and mess it up, but yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. Crap happens even here. Actually, I think more of it happens here than what other people think. Ugh, sorry, I got hiccups. Kool Aid. But yeah, everywhere has a problem with people getting sticky fingers. Personally, I think broken sticky fingers is a good thing. Lots of them. If your fingers in casts, yeah, they might not be sticky as they would have been. Just my thought. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. It might have something to do with the fact that I'm from Texas. We had to fight pretty hard for getting here, to stay here, to keep here, and to protect what little we do have. So, yeah, we don't cotton too well to people stealing stuff. I mean, okay, quick thought process here. First part of Texas becoming part of the U.S. was they stole our mountains and gave them to Wyoming, Colorado, and New Mexico. Yeah, Texas used to stretch all the way into Wyoming, just shy of Yellowstone National Park. Yeah. And then, after stealing our mountains and giving them to Wyoming, Colorado, and New Mexico, they hauled off and stole a piece of the high plains north of here, gave it to Kansas. But that wasn't bad enough. They had to haul off and steal a piece of it and give it to Oklahoma. Mm-hmm. But hey, they had to go ahead on top of that and add a little bit of insult to it. They hauled off and snagged a piece of the Sabine River Delta and gave it to Louisiana. But oh no, they weren't done with that. Insult wasn't bad enough. They had to go and add injury. And they gave a piece of the Red River Delta to Arkansas. I mean, seriously, if that isn't injury to insult, what is? Arkansas, seriously. But oh, hey, what up and happened after that? Oklahoma decided, hey, one piece wasn't enough. We got to jump in there and get us another piece. That little bit of the Red River looks good too. Yeah, we had a Red River War over that. It's still going on. The difference is that now, instead of shooting lead back and forth, we're throwing footballs. Yeah, we might be a little more civilized, but think of this. We sit smack dab in the middle of the recipients of our stolen property. And you wonder why we're kind of porcupine about property and shooting thieves? Seriously? Just saying. We shoot thieves in Texas. We don't care. Uh, Shooting them's better than most things. See, if I shoot them and they go to the ground, well, we don't have to doctor them. We don't have to lawyer them. We don't have to do anything but bury them. But if they survive and go to the court system, well, we got to lawyer them. We got to doctor them. We got to house them. Got to feed them. Got to health care them. And then we got to rehabilitate them afterwards. Burying is so much easier. Might be a reason Texans are kind of porcupine about property rights. Yeah, because even if they survive it, well, they're still stealing our tax dollars. Just saying. Yeah. So, yeah, Texas might have a little bit of a reason to be porcupine about property rights. Again, we sit in the middle of all the recipients of our stolen property all the way around us. I mean, think about it. Are you supposed to be nice to people that can steal mountains? Just asking. Anyway. Hey, I am definitely ready for this day to be done. And I am definitely wanting to get this next couple of months over and done with. Uh, I was having problems with my web page going over to get with the airline. Their web page was showing, I click on the day and it moves it over 2 days. But it only moves it one day of the week. So like today is Wednesday, February 12th. Well, it would be calling it Tuesday, February 10th. What's up with that? I mean, seriously? Has the computer gone neurotic, or is it just mine, or am I living in the time warp bubble zone and my clocks are really spinning that crazy? I don't know. Just makes you wonder. But anyway, uh, was watching a girl talking about reasons they reject people in the Philippines. How can anybody want to go someplace and then be rude to the government officials inviting you into their country? I just don't get that. You're going to be rude to the customs officer and the immigration officer of a place you're trying to get into? I mean, you might as well walk up to the best club in town and slap the doorman, the bouncer, and tell him he's ugly and his mama's working a street corner. And then you wonder why you end up not getting in. Oy. Some people just ain't got no sense. I mean, seriously. Anyway, but yeah, that one caught me. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope y'all have a blessed day and that the rest of your work week is an easy one. Lots of friends, lots of food, lots of family, and more food. More food. I'm big on food. Might be why it's so hard for me to lose weight. I enjoy eating too much. Just saying. Anyway, William Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye bye. I hope you've had a good one. I'm Fish, and hey,